Join me as I put this USB-C dock to the test and see if it can really power all my devices at once. USB-C docks have become super popular for simplifying our lives, making it easy to connect multiple devices to a single port. They promise to streamline our workspace and reduce cable clutter. But can one dock really power all our devices? We've all been there. You've got a laptop, a phone, a tablet, and a few other gadgets that need charging, but your USB-C dock seems to struggle with the load. The confusion around compatibility and power output can be overwhelming. Some devices need a lot of power, while others are happy with just a little, and then there are docks that can barely manage a single device, let alone multiple ones. The market is flooded with various types of USB-C docks, each boasting different features and capabilities. Some can output a lot of power, making them perfect for laptops, while others are more suited for phones and tablets. There are docks with multiple USB ports, HDMI outputs, and even Ethernet connectivity. But how do you know which one is right for you? I've put several docks to the test, and the results are interesting. Some docks can handle a surprising number of devices, while others can't even manage two. I've got a few docks lined up here, and I'm going to show you how they perform. This dock, for example, claims to be able to power up to 5 devices at once. It looks promising, but let's see if it can really deliver. I'm going to plug in my laptop, phone, tablet, and a few other gadgets, and see if it can handle the load. The dock seems to be handling things well so far, but I'm going to push it to the limit. In my testing, I've found that the key to finding the right dock is understanding your device's power needs and matching them with the dock's capabilities. It's not just about having a lot of ports. It's about having a dock that can actually power all your devices. To sum it up, USB-C docks can definitely simplify your life, but you need to choose the right one. Make sure to check the dock's power output and compatibility with your devices. If you've had any experiences with USB-C docks, good or bad, I'd love to hear about them in the comments. And if you're looking for more tech reviews like this, be sure to check out my other videos. Don't forget to smash that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications, because we drop tech gems every single week here on TechWave 65.